Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start a new Wix site from scratch. Whether you're building your first website or adding another project to your portfolio, starting fresh gives you complete creative control over your design. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look for the Projects or Website drop-down menu at the top of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a complete list of all your websites and projects that you've created. This is where all your sites live, and it's also where you'll start building something new. To begin creating from scratch, click on the Go to All Sites link. This takes you to a more detailed overview of your entire workspace. After clicking that link, you'll be directed to your website's dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your sites. Now locate the plus Create New Site button on the top right part of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to starting a brand new website from scratch, and Wix will offer you a few helpful suggestions to get you going. It's designed to make the process as smooth as possible, even if you're completely new to website building. Once you click that button, you'll be presented with 3 options to design and start your website. You can choose to work from a blank canvas, pick from one of Wix's pre-designed templates, or let AI generate a site structure for you based on your answers to a few questions. Each option has its advantages depending on how much control you want and how quickly you need to launch. The blank canvas gives you total freedom, templates offer a starting point with professional layouts, and AI can speed things up if you're short on time. For this tutorial, go ahead and click on Start from a blank canvas. This option is perfect if you want to build everything yourself without any preset layouts or designs. It will automatically direct you to your Wix Studio design page with a completely clean slate. From here, you have full control over every element, color, layout, and feature. You can drag and drop sections, add text, images, videos, and customize everything to match your vision exactly. And that's it. You've successfully started a new Wix site from scratch, and you're now ready to begin designing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.